you, ma. Agaling is na love you. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, here's your candidate number 12.
Be joyful, for roses have thorns. Or be sad, because corn have roses. This is the irony of your life, and no one can ever change it. A pleasant evening to all of the people here in Barangay Lomboy, Halay. Or should I say, Masantos de Labiod si Carnanin. Standing in front of you here is only 17 years old, Spunner. My name is Sharome Garcia, a lucky finalist of the most prestigious gay pageant here in the Philippines. Amazing Philippine beauties. But for tonight, allow me to stand by the name of the woman who captured the heart of every Filipino man. Bilang pinaka-sexy sa dalawang magkasunod na taon. Your sunny glided feature girl. Bakit di po natin sabayang sigaw, ihiyaw, at syempre palakpakan naman po si Miss Sam Pinto. Sam Pinto na nag-iwan po ng kakatuwang kasabihan. May kulay dilaw, may kulay berde, at syempre may kulay pulang-pula. Kinain ko na to, malamang kinain nyo na din to. Lollipop. At bago ko po listanin ng 4 na sulok na intabladong ito. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the following sponsor. Especially to the Uncle Vice Mayor Pedro Pete Herrera, Councilor Arsenio Herrera, Sir Butch Herrera, and especially to Barangay Captain here, Mr. Lorenzo Lopez, and especially to the barangay officials. Once again, I am your candidate number 12, Sam Pinto, and that's the bill. Thank you.
Thank you very much for running up our candidates. Tumuhin po yung candidate number 12, Sam Pinto. Ladies and gentlemen, atas wala ng category, ayaw sa tatawag nila, creative wear category. Bro, pakibabo muna microphone.
Ulawin.
Ladies and gentlemen, we bring them back to you for one final look. Verse 6, candidate number 1.